Hey guys, it's April and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have an Impress nails haul. So I basically bought all of these on the Impress website, which I highly recommend because they always have sales going on like all the time. So I try to only buy the sale ones. Every now and then I'll sometimes buy like one or two that aren't on sale. Just kind of depends what they have, but today everything that I bought was on sale, which was super awesome. It was all 30% off, and then I also got a free one on top of that, which is super cool. So I'm just gonna start off with that free one. So first of all, I think you had to spend $30 to get free shipping and then another certain amount to get a free one, and this was the free one they were handing out. It's called On Fire, and it's just basically like a French manicure type of design. Really nice, really classy. I like how all the French is like sparkly, and then like the accent nails have a bunch of rhinestones on them, which is super cute. But yeah, this is the one that they were giving out for free. I don't remember if it was with any purchase or like if you had to spend $15, but I know that if you spent $30, you got free shipping. So I always try to spend the $30 because I enjoy getting the free shipping. If you don't, then what you're paying is basically like the price of another one of these. So in my opinion, it's just better to just buy in bulk, if that makes sense, to always get free shipping and not have your money going towards paying for shipping rather than paying for another box of nails, if that makes sense. The next one I got, this one is called Craving, and yes, I have bought this one before. I really like this one. I feel like it's really nice for the summer and the fall, but I've been really enjoying wearing it in the fall, even though it's kind of like a little mermaid design. I just love the dark blue, green, and purple colors in this. It just reminds me of fall, and I got a lot of compliments when I did wear this. So I'm really excited to have this again in my collection. Up next I got the Firefly again. I really liked it because of the accent nails. They remind me of unicorns, and it's just so pretty. Like the colors are just unicorn colors, you know? And then the bluish indigo colors are matte, and then the other accent nails are sparkly. So super cute. Again, I got a lot of compliments on this one, so I was happy to buy it again. FYI, a couple of these are repeat buys, but it's just because I really like some of the designs that I've had in the past. The next one I got is this press-on pedicure. This one I feel like would be good for the winter when the winter rolls around because it's like a light blue, like icy blue color, and then the big toe has that sculpted diamond kind of look, which I really enjoyed. Every time I wear that sculpted look, I get compliments on my nails, so I was really excited to see if they had this in another color. And this one is called Pool Time. Up next, I did buy these for my wedding. These are Fun in the Sun, and this is what it looks like. It's kind of like a light nudish pink color, and then the accent nails are that beautiful sculpted look that I really enjoy on the nails. So these will be so pretty for all my wedding photos, and I cannot wait to wear these. To match that, I rebought these again. These are called Fancy Feet, which totally goes with the design. So this is the pedicure version, and it's just the sparkly little toes, and then the big toes have that really nice sculpted look that I've been talking about. So these look pretty similar, so I thought this would be like perfect for my manicure and pedicure on my wedding day because I'm just like so anti like getting my nails done lately. I was like, why am I gonna go spend like, you know, $60 or so on getting my hands and feet done when I could just spend $30 on all these nails that are gonna last me like a super long time and get so much more use out of, you know what I mean? So I decided I would do that, plus I get tons of compliments on these nails. These ones I've gotten tons of compliments on. I really enjoy these. So yeah, I'm really excited that I have my wedding nails all in set now, so that's really exciting. And then the last one I got is called Tough Love, and this one is so pretty, you guys. I love the aesthetic of it. It's like gold and white, and it has like those really cool foil lines in the design on the big toes, and all the little toes are the sparkly gold toes. So this one is super cute, and I cannot wait to use these maybe like on our honeymoon or something. Okay, you guys, that is it for this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a glamorous rest of your day. Bye!